started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the area, but she a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no wig on a dance floor. She had 2-3 dresses.
What is good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. I am back with another wig from Luvme Hair. I reviewed plenty of their wigs before, and child, you know how to get me another one. In the box, it came with this beautiful purple comb, and you already know purple is my favorite color. I just love the packaging all together, and they make sure you have everything that you need with your wig. So yeah, I absolutely love the purple. They give you an edge brush, they give you instructions, your wig cap, and your elastic band with your wig. So this is the wig inside the box. I have not done anything to her as of yet, and this is how she looks. So in the inside, you get your 5x5 closure. You get 4 combs inside, including an adjustable band. I ordered this wig in pre-everything, meaning pre-bleached, pre-plucked. I didn't feel like doing anything to the wig, so I requested everything to be done for me. I got the pre-everything 5x5 and 16 inches. Here's the wig out the box. Automatically, this is such a gorgeous wig. I'm going to add some heat to her, the top on the roots, and then just go past it with a flat iron. So I will be back once I am done styling the hair to my liking. I will be back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment, so stay tuned for that. And also, if you are interested in what wig I am wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell what you see, how I roll, how I did it on the low. Don't tell your friends about it. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the inside.
So here's the finished look on the hair, and where do I begin? Where do I even start? First off, the wig is given very much grown. The blunt cut is definitely giving me this sophisticated, intelligent baddie that I am. Give y'all a little 360. Here's the back of the wig. Just love the blunt cut. They absolutely did a flawless, phenomenal job with this cut. The bob is bobbing and it's weaving, and the wig is 100% glueless. I did not use no tape, no spray, no glue, just prayer, combs, and the adjustable band. That's all. The wig had minimum to no shedding, and shipping only took 3 to 5 days. Overall, this wig definitely gets a 9 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.